Hey everyone! So a week or two ago I accidentally made a mistake and I said I was opening the March Splendies, but that was actually the February Splendies, and I have the March panties for March actually now, and they're so cute. I was like, should I just skip this since I already posted it recently? But I'm not going to, because you know, we just had a holiday, one of my favorites, and my cat's birthday, Emmy's birthday, St. Patrick's Day, and there's St. Patrick's Day panties. So we're not gonna skip this, we're gonna do this. I'll go back and retitle my last video. But yeah, so today we're gonna unbox Splendies, the panty subscription. Before we get started, hi, welcome or welcome back. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and I open them every single day here at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you love them too, I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing before you go. So for those who are not aware of what Splendies is, like I said, it's a panty subscription and it is monthly. It costs between $14.99 to $16.99 a month, and you can get your first month for 50% off. I'll leave the link and everything down below. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. And I actually have two different variations this month, so you guys have to let me know. Because I know one of you guys in my last video, you commented that you got those exact pairs in February, and that's what kind of made me start to think. I'm like, wait, when did I get this? Am I opening it late? So thank you for your comment. But yeah, also comment this video too if you are my panty twin again. So there's a little bit of variation, so this is really fun. The tissue's super cute. So you get to like select your size. Most people size up. Depends on your level of comfort. They'll have size guidelines on their website, and you can pick a surprise variety, which is what I chose, or you can pick all thongs or all briefs. So you can customize it that way. So here's a little sneak peek. Look at all that green. I love it. I'm an Irish girl. I love, and green is my favorite color. So the first pair is a thong. Very cute. I love this kind. The no-show. And then we have like a beautiful emerald green. And this, at first I thought this was a brief. This is also a thong. So it's got this like, lace on top. And this is by Miss Vicky's Intimates. Usually they are by Splendies brands, but sometimes you'll get a different brand. So it's like a little bit thicker in back. So there's like some coverage in back. It's like more cheeky than thong. Well, maybe more thong than cheeky, but it's like in the spectrum. And then we have another thong. So it looks like this one was like the thong variety. And I believe this pair is in each. And how cute is this, you guys? There's little shamrocks, and I love green because it symbolizes abundance and I think it's pretty. And then with shamrocks too, that's like some extra good luck, trying to manifest some good luck into my life. Awesome. So now let's look at the other three. So normally you get three, so just to clarify, we're opening two different kinds. So it has the same pretty wrapping tissue. So this one I think might be my favorite, you guys. This is lacy and black. It is a full bag or a brief panty, and it's black with these shamrocks. It's so cute, I think. It's one of those that's like comfy and sexy. I mean, I haven't tried it on yet, but I can just tell, like, so it has like full coverage, but it's sheer. And I love it so much. And then we have the one pair that's different. So we have another of this, the one that has it like, I don't know if I really showed you up close. It has that like sheer little front. And look, oh my god, there's like little green on the, ribbon, polka dots, a little bow. So cute. But the last pair, emerald green, I love. I have an emerald green velvet couch, and I love it. And these are velvet too. So this is a full bag panty. The front is, you can tell just by how it looks, is this velvet. And then, so this is the front, and then the back is all sheer. I just love this color so much. So yeah, sorry again about my little mistake saying March when it was February. You guys clearly knew who also get the subscription, but I think these are great. I love that there's themes every month. I just love this month's the best for a while. I think their panties are always super cute and comfortable and functional and all that. I say functional because sometimes you get like sexy pairs that, you know, but they're like not comfy. These still are comfy. So yeah, this is one of my favorites in a while, but like I said, I always have liked it and I had to share. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you for subscribing and following me. I love you guys so much. And again, if you have not already subscribed, I hope you consider doing so. So that means I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow.